Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat. And as you can see, upon the screen, yeah, all the things are going on that dancer, my people. So it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. As you know, Nikki Blacks is out of immigration facility, isn't it? And basically she's saying Trump is not playing. But before we get into that, you know, we want to deal with this case with Rosalica. You know, the CPFSA, no return the youths them, and the whole world is saying, oh, Rosealee, there, a club with AKeem, get daggered out and a wine pan body head when she should be, you know, sad. He said, and this is why the people them say AKeem is going to be Rosealee downfall. Yes, my people, my naga tell a lie. Happy wife go in pan them. He said, and she said she don't care about our kids. Yeah. So let's like and share the video from no panel social media platforms and let's hear what go on for that to go on.
Everybody want their pound of flesh. AKeem is in this business for the dough. AKeem loved Rose and value Rose's friendship so much that less than 24 hours after Rose's children were taken into government care, AKeem could not say to Rose, let us cancel tonight. Let us protect the image that it will have and let us not go. Who is going to tell Rose that AKeem is the weapon that form against her? Who is going to tell her? AKeem no have a wife. AKeem no have children. AKeem no have anything. The only thing AKeem need is hype and money. And AKeem go straight into Rose and Jake's life to mash up them family. This is what I hate about Rose. Rose don't take responsibility for her action. And I feel pissed that CDA took the children. But I was having a meeting with somebody yesterday, a family member I was talking to yesterday. And I created a blog as to why Rose would have probably said she got this and she got that and she got that. Jake had depicted them. But when I listen to the thing, I understand. You see, Rose thinks she bigger than the whole world and Rose not listen. Rose is uncontrollable. And I work with CDA. For 20 years, I work with CDA department. Because I know as a probation officer and the police, CDA, we work together. And I am surprised that CDA did not take Rose's children before. And you know who is following suit? D. Because D no have time for fear picking them, you know. D threaten for whatever she got to do with them, they picking them, you know. Rose out of control. The way how Rose talked to those children, the way how Rose verbally abused those children online. If it was ever America or Canada, Rose would have lost those children long time. And because Jamaican law worthless. I don't know what is wrong with Rose. Rose find too much time on her hands to work for money, to want to be seen by AKeem, give Jakes too much effing time and neglected her children. Rose sent Shanta out a road in a night 9 o'clock go buy alcohol. What kind of parenting that? Shante gone her bed school night to prepare for school. And you call Shante and send Shante out a road in a night to go buy alcohol? That's child abuse. What's wrong with you? You know? Tired down. No? Me need to come off of social media. Me no want to send up my pressure. Rose no listen. At the first somebody Rose coming like Chris. They don't have the ability to change. Rose no care. Rose no listen. Look like so Rose glad to get rid of picking them too. Rose are use psychology. Rose want left Jakes. And because of the picnic them, Rose can't left Jakes because Rose no want cook. So Rose glad say government take the picnic them. You must know say the government will take the picnic them because you were warned. You get more than one warning. You don't care. You can't treat pick me so. Wanna sick me. I just can't bother.
Yeah, put in the comment section if you agree with Happy Wife. No, you know, said Nikki Blacks is out, and it's definitely a good look, my people. So she's going to tell you how the whole process went down from when, you know, because you know she was on probation when them all are, you know. You see me, I say, and I heist and them thing there from them time there, you see me?
Me there on probation. Them get that right. Because I pick me up. So somebody call me name to him. Because when me and him alone the places, some name when him start call to me and some things him tell me, and somebody have to send him come give me. The man I start talk about being a man and I him take being a man visa, and so I realize say I know a regular immigration officer come for me. So for that man there, take a time out of busy schedule and come up the probation office for me. Somebody send him for me. You see me? I'ma accept that. Or April 1st, All Fool's Day. You see me? And them sending him but them things say me that negative out. No, we turn negative in a positive. So somebody send him for me because when him reach being man him start cause some other people and some other things I'm not gonna talk over here. So Missy said them send him for me. He knew who I was. Him never come for Nicola Modest, him come for Nikki Blacks. Hey, me say see that song there? Hey, that song they play for repeat by the people them phone. Cause the people them give me them radio, you know. I want radio, you know, man. I tell you, hey, nah like, long they stress me out. Them stress me out. So all what talk about me not a green card, me tell you this. Green card holder in the air. Citizen in there. The citizen was swearing in there. The only citizen not in there is the one that are born in America. Yeah, me telling you, Trump not play with nobody. You me say? That me I tell you. Them stress me out. What go on, chef? Love you, Chrissy. Tell my granddaughter I'm soon call her. I get her a text about why. She sent me about 10 why. Tell her don't hurt up her little feelings. I soon link her. Cause all my life. So now I'm going to tell them my business before nobody telling us something. Them telling me them late. Let me talk my business. All my life you have been faithful. Whoa. Cause all my life you have been so good. Take time with me singing. And every breath that I am able. Oh, I will. When I go like me to kill nobody, I'm a charge of murder. Me never. Hey, mosquito bite me, I'm still alive. Mosquito bites me and still alive. Mosquito bites me and are still alive. BRT, hands. Hands, me go link your hands. Me need money. Hands, I need money. Hands, I need some money. Hands, me get your text. Hands, as me turn on the phone, I your text, me see come first. Hear me now watch Mr. BRT. Go over TikTok. No, but now give me the money over TikTok. Cause all my life you have been faithful. Eh? Over TikTok? Me, next thing they say, them go on the spot, come say me a big money, a big pussy on the spot, I coming at you. Just give me a minute. I coming at you. I'm going to deal with your wicked, your picture, I'm going to post, watch me, you're going to run up and down. Cause all my life, you've been so good. With every breath. What you want, Dr. Ratty? Ratty, are you? When don't tell the girl for lock me. Me not have no one of people over TikTok. Me not have 1,000 people for go live. You don't need 1,000 no more. You know say una son stalker. You know say una son stalker in a real life. Rika, I miss you too, Taxi. You know what I say? The real youth we are going with Kels. You know what I say? Una some stalker in a real life. You know what I say? Una some stalker. Una.
Yeah, put in the comment section or anything about that. No, if you want more, updates, go up on my Dancehall Story channel, or you can go up on the Boom Bye Bye news channel. Because we're not going to long it out no longer on our hustle. Bless.